The Toyota Celica XX GT, an iconic blend of engineering and style, currently standing as a marvel of automotive design and performance. This beauty boasts a displacement of 2,000 cubic centimeters and is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, promising a pure and exhilarating driving experience for any car enthusiast. Finished in the striking ADVAN color, the Celica XX GT is a head-turner on the roads and a delight for those who appreciate classic cars with a twist of modern enhancements. Exterior, interior, details. 1G twin-cam engine for that classic performance feel. Cusco tower bar for enhanced chassis rigidity. Ultra-spark plug wire for improved ignition efficiency. Truss tachometer to keep track of your RPMs and style. Dummy oil cooler for that aggressive look. Full bucket seats for maximum support during spirited drives. Power steering and power windows for added comfort. Side exhaust muffler for a unique and sporty exhaust note. Front height adjustable suspension and rear lowering suspension for a perfect stance. Works fender and processed steel wheels for a rugged race-ready appearance. Iron rear gate and aftermarket roof spoiler for added aerodynamics. 4-point roll bar for safety and style. 5-way trumpet for a distinctive horn sound. Aftermarket navigation system to keep you on the right track. This Celica XX GT is a perfect blend of classic JDM styling and modern performance upgrades. Whether you're a fan of vintage Japanese cars or just love a well-modified ride, this one is sure to impress.